Hello guys, welcome back to JP Codes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with programming. So there are two softwares that you will be needing to get started. The first and the most important one is the VS Code. That is an IDE, integrated development environment, that you're going to be using to write your codes, and then to view or check what you've done. You're going to be needing another software, a browser, or we are going to be working with Chrome and Google Chrome browser. So to get started, if you have not installed your Google Chrome, you can open up your default browser. I am on Mac. I think the default browser on Mac should be Safari, sorry. So we're going to just type in the name of this. You can just type in download Google Chrome, and then you click enter. And of course, the first link you see there, you click on it, and that should take you to a place where you can download your Google Chrome. Just scroll down, and then you would see a download Google Chrome. I think it's on a sticky header here. So you click on it, and that should be it. So I'm not going to click on that because I already installed it on my system. So we're going to open the next tab, and then we're going to go for VS Code. So just type download VS Code, and VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. So we're going to be looking into much details of VS Code later on. And then you open the first link you're seeing, download Visual Studio Code. One good thing about VS Code is it's developed by Microsoft, and it runs across multiple platforms. So if you're a Windows user, you can click on this. If you're the Debian Ubuntu user, Red Hat, and the likes of it. Of course, Mac users, you also have this option to click on this, and then you just download whatever you want to go for. I'm not going to download because I already have this. So I'll see you in the next video where we're going to explore much about VS Code. I love it. So subscribe, share, and please like the video.